Now we'll see that what kind of image is formed by the plane mirror when you have a finite object. So this is my plane mirror, again a big line with small oblique lines. Let's say this is my finite object, that means of limited length. So now as you can see that this complete source is emitting light, but whenever we are making a ray diagram, we will consider 2 points, the up point and the down one. So we will just take the rays from this point. So let's say this is one ray falling perpendicular, this is one ray falling at certain angle, and it gets reflected in the same way we made for that. Right. Let's make another rays also from the lower point. Let's just extend it a little so that it should not mess up with the another ray. So let's say that this is the perpendicular ray from this point, and this ray is striking at this angle. Again, this is the angle I, and this is the angle R. Now what to do is meet two black one rays at one point, and let make these red one appear to meet at one point. So just extend them. This, we know that this get reflected in the same manner, we have already discussed. So just extend it like this. So if we have one point, and for the red one also do in the same manner, like this, right. Just join it, join these 2 points, and this is your image for the finite object. I think you got it, because it's not easy to draw the light rays coming from all these things. So what we did from the upper point and from the lower point. So this we got a complete object, our finite object, and the characteristics for this one is the same we did here. That is the virtual, erect, same size, distance of object from mirror is same for same as mirror from the image, and it is laterally inverted. Now you know that where we use this kind of plane mirrors, where we make use of these plane mirrors. One use you already know, as I told you, that you use for dressing purpose at home, because this is our looking mirror what we use at home. So it is used for dressing up. Moreover, it is used in barber shops also as a rear view mirror, like when you want to look yourself, your hairstyle from the back side, what kind of mirror you use, there also you make use of this plane mirror only. It is used in a periscope, it is used in a kaleidoscope, it is used in a solar cooker also. In all the three it is being used as a reflector. In all the three it is being used as a reflector. And what is kaleidoscope, solar cookers and periscope you must be knowing, but if in case you don't know that, just refer to the other slides, you will be able to know that. So it is just used for this moment we are just listing the uses. So it is used in kaleidoscope, periscope and solar cooker as a reflector. And moreover, you know that whenever we want to get a multiple images, we can just get them by placing the plane mirrors at different angles, so we can get the multiple images. So that means plane mirror is serving as an important use, because it is used in many things. And moreover, you know that it is being used there also. Whenever you are in optician room and you are just making your the number of your eyes checked, or you are just making checking your number for the spectacles, and there what you use the mirror to read the alphabets. Right. So that means it is just serving many purposes, at many places it is being used. So this is all about plane mirror, that how we draw image and how we denote it and what are the characteristics of the plane mirror. Right. So by doing this we just finish off with this chapter. So just practice making the ray diagrams, because these are very important. And before you draw the ray diagrams, you should be thorough with the basic terminology that we did in the first slide, that is the incident ray, reflected ray, normal ray, because if you are not aware of those things, you won't be able to do these kind of ray diagrams. So the first tool is that just get familiar with that and then try to practice them. They are not so tough, and don't forget, as I told you, that don't forget to list the characteristics along. These are very important.